Namaskar. Welcome to Plastic Industry. In this channel, I always upload videos on various plastic industry based projects wherein you would be able to know that what are the plastic items you can manufacture as a viable project, as a viable product manufacturing business. So here in this series, ongoing series, which is on automobile component manufacturing business out of plastics. We will discuss today item number 7, which is known as car antenna plastic base. Car antenna plastic base is a manufacturing business which has huge demand. Now let us understand this in detail. Whatever is being shared, the right is always with original owner of this particular item which are being used for only educational purpose in this video. Ever noticed that little plastic part holding your car's antenna is what it is the base of your antenna and it's made out of plastics. It is there in all types of cars, from entry level cars to SUVs. It's a multi crore manufacturing business idea. This antenna base usually made out of plastics, which are ABS or PCABS, acrylonitrile, butadiene styrene, or polycarbonate plus acrylonitrile, butadiene styrene, and by injection molding process. One piece per car is required, normally found on the car roof or sometimes on the bonnet or near, not on the bonnet exactly, near to the bonnet, where the particular part of the car body is fixed. So there you find this. Annual demand in India is approximately 50 to 60 lakhs units, which is not bad. And especially when you approach OEMs, you have an exclusive contract. And then when you have a contract, you will have assured business. So regular business, not so critical item to manufacture and huge demand. Always supplied by tier 2 vendors. That's the reason. Because it doesn't call for high degree of expertise. You can start with that and you can scale up your business as you move on, move ahead. What are the challenges involved in this? This particular part has to be UV resistant coating applied. Otherwise, if you expose it without coating to outdoor life, the chances are it will fail very soon. So to prolong its life, you have to apply UV resistant coating onto it. That is what is the challenge. And opportunities are huge. As I explained earlier, every car needs it. So it's not a luxury, it's a necessity. So you have assured business, assured requirement, and also there is a replacement market. Let us not forget that. So plastics is connectivity. This particular base is holding your antenna, so it enables you to get connected with outside world. So plastics allows you to have connectivity, it provides you with style and a steady business. So if you have liked this particular project idea and you want to know more about this project, please write to us in the given email ID and I will come back to you with all possible details very fast or as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. If you have liked this, you have come this far, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, follow, and most important is press the bell icon so that when the next video comes, you will be notified immediately. This series continues, and next video we will see you in the next video with the 8th manufacturing product idea. Till such time, Namaskar, Jai Hind.